What is up, Print Squad? It's your girl Sin, and I'm back with another video. And if you want to see what I'm going to be doing today, stay tuned.
T-shirt chick.
Alright, squad, today your girl is going to be unboxing a package. I got the package right here. The package contains a few random items and some supplies that I need for an order that I'm getting ready to print. So I'm going to go ahead and open everything and let you see what's inside. Alright, we're going to just pull one thing at a time out. Alright, right here, I actually have, right here, it's something from Unisub right here, as you guys see. Hopefully y'all can see that. That's from Unisub right there. And then we have, ooh, we got some dog tags right here. Y'all can check those out. I just ordered a few little sample things right here. That's more dog tags. More dog tags. Alright. And right here, this is not the size I was expecting. This is super small, but these are mouse pads. These are supposed to be mouse pads. These are more like to-go mouse pads. If y'all check out my mouse pad over here, like, what's going on with your mouse pad? My mouse pad is almost 3 times the size of this one, but we're gonna see what we can do with it. We're gonna make do with it. Just got a few samples. What else? Okay, right here, what is this? I don't even remember what this is. Cutting board. Huh? Oh, okay. This is a Sublimation cutting board. I'll be printing on this later and let you guys check it out. And I also ordered some transfer paper right here. And I got the EasyJet ink transfer paper right here. This is a 100 pack. I really needed more, but I went ahead and ordered some more to come in. And that's all I have in here right there. Alright, so y'all know what transfer paper is like. I'm going to move it to the side. Alright. These mouse pads, they are like way smaller. I should have read the directions because they're way smaller. And right here, these are actually some chains for the dog tags. I'm going to open this up. Yeah, so right there, just some dog tag chains right here, as you see. Alright, so you guys see, I did get in a few sublimation items. So if you guys are interested in seeing how any of these items look printed, y'all stay tuned because your girl is going to be printing on some of this stuff in some future videos. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put everything back up and go ahead and get busy for today. But I just wanted to make this little quick video for y'all. Check in right quick. But I appreciate you watching. Y'all make sure you follow your girl on Instagram. Hit the thumbs up, subscribe, hit that bell notification. Follow your girl on Instagram. And I will see you in another video. Print Squad out.